They will be looking at top five most popular local development environment. So number one on our list is WAM server. So WAM server has been there for years. They are a Windows only web development environment that allow you to create web applications with Apache 2, PHP, and MySQL databases. They also allow you to use PHP MyAdmin. So most of you guys might have used WAM server for your local development. It is free. The only downside is you can only use it on Windows, and it has limited flexibility for advanced dev setup. So I think one of the downside to this is they don't have stuff like collaboration, XSL, and most of the setup you have to do it locally by yourself. So if you are looking for something free and you are using Windows and you are just starting, you can get your hands on one server and try to see how it works. Number two on our list is SAMP. So SAMP, like WAMP server, allows you to use it on Windows. You can also use SAMP on Linux and on Mac OS X. They allow you to work on using fork like Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. SAMP is completely free, easy to install, Apache distribution. So because SAMP is an open source, so also like WAMP server, but the only difference is that you are allowed to you can use it on more platforms. While WAMP is only Windows supported, SAMP is supported on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. So um, they have heavy installation footprint and can be unstable with multiple PHP versions. But you have the option of making use of Apache MySQL or MariaDB if you want a faster database. So moving on, we move on to Laragon. Now, I came across Laragon when I was trying to install something that allows me to use an SSL and give me probably a quicker setup and free. So the advantage using Laragon is that Laragon is very fast. Like it's a very fast platform. Once you install it, it loads your project quickly compared to some other ones that once you start using internet and you're using a local server, it gets a bit slower. So Laragon is fast, but the issue I have with Laragon is the the free tire is always popping up. You have this pop up that keeps popping up for you to buy a license. It's very annoying. So, but apart from that, you have option of using ADSQL, which can be an headache to set up. So, if you are using Laragon, I advise you to just install PHP from. They have the options actually for you to install PHP Node.js, Python, and the likes. So just install PHP from the MySQL modules they give to you. Then go ahead and use PHP If you are using XQL, you are going to have a lot of issues. So I think if you can get your hand on the paid version of Laragon, you might really enjoy yourself. So third on my list is Laragon. You can try it for free. It also, but don't use ADSQL. Um, Try to just install PHP. to save yourself a lot of stress. So let's move on. Fourth on my list is local WP. Local WP is a very beautiful looking um, development environment, and I really come across this when I needed uh, a a a WordPress platform that allows me to use free SSL, as in set up easily, and local WP really delivered. In short, if you need something that can collaborate with other developers, local WP is for you. But I had issues with using it because it's not fast enough. That's the only thing I saw there. At a point, it seems not very fast enough for me. You know, before it loads, some like once you are installed working on your project, like because I work on WordPress a lot, it was a bit delayed. That is why I get to try out Laragon and the likes. So if you're just starting and you need something you can install quickly, very fast, that give you option for MySQL, MariaDB, collaboration, free SSL that allows you to clone the website, local is for you. So I hope you try it out. They have also linked to um WPNG, Flywheel, and the likes. So they also give you a cloud backup so you can sign up and you are really going to enjoy it. Also, local WP is supported on Windows. Let me see. I don't even know if you can download it on Mac. Okay, so they allow you to use Mac, Intel. They allow your M1 and your M2 and M4. They also allow Linux and Windows environment. So they are supported on all platforms. So you should try local out. You might be surprised. Last on our list is MAMP and MAMP Pro. MAMP is also a development platform um, that has been there existing since the days of Mac users. So when XAMPP actually come out, it was only Windows. So the only rival it actually have there was MAMP. So MAMP has been there, and they have a free version that allows you to use Apache, Ngnix, MySQL, and they also support PHP installers. So lately I used the pro version of MAMP, and it was really very fast. The setup is also almost straight up, but the only thing I issue I no is an issue, but compared to local and these other ones that install your SSL, MAMP Pro allow you to install SSL, but I discovered that after the installation, the Windows was not recognizing it. It was saying it was giving an error. So you have to download the SSL and install it on your local machine. So I think apart from that, they they allow you to work more on cloud. They allow you to more. They give you heavy features like on cloud and a lot of features like that. So and they allow you to make use of MAMP on Windows and on Mac OS. So if you have some money, this is like a $99 to $100. Um, if you want to buy one for MAMP, while Laragon is a lifetime perpetual license is 149. So if you actually lay your hand on pro of any of these two, I think you really enjoy your local development. Thank you for watching our video. We advise you to like and subscribe for more tech features.